Namaste. Welcome to namastehindi.com. So, dear learners, this word is full of colors. And if you know these colors' name in Hindi, it will be a fun journey to look outside and around the world with a new way. So, in this video, we are going to learn about some colors' name in Hindi. So, let's get started. The first color is red. Yes, the red in Hindi is called Laal. So, red in Hindi is called Laal. So let's find three red objects near you. It may be a red apple, Laal save. It may be a red tomato, Laal tomato. And it may be a red ladybug, Laal keeda. Next color is Narangi. Orange in Hindi is called Narangi. Orange is also a fruit and is also a color. So orange in Hindi is called Narangi. So can you find some orange objects near you? Like a orange Narangi, Narangi, an orange pumpkin, Narangi kaddu, and an orange basketball, Narangi basketball. Yes. The next color is yellow. Yellow in Hindi is called Peela. Peela. So let's find some yellow objects near you. It may be a yellow sunflower, that is Peela surajmukhi, a yellow lemon, that is Peela nimbu, or a yellow banana, that is Peela Kaala. Next color is green. Green in Hindi is called Hara. Hara. And let's find the green objects near you. It may be a green broccoli, Hari broccoli, green leaf, Hari patti, or a green pear, Hari nashpati. Next color is blue. So blue in Hindi is called Neela. Neela. So words starting from blue, the blue color objects around us may be blueberries. So blueberry in Hindi is called blueberry as it is. So neeli, blueberry. Sapphire. Sapphire is a precious stone that in Hindi is called neelam. So Neela, neelam. And then there is a bluebird. Bluebird in Hindi is called Neela Pakshi. So Neela Pakshi. Then comes the color purple. Purple in Hindi is called Baingani. Baingani. The purple objects near us, it may be a purple plum, Baingani aloo bukhara, or a purple cabbage, Baingani patta gobi, or an eggplant. Eggplant in Hindi is called Bangan, and the color purple is most probably from this eggplant color, that is called Baingani. Next is pink. Pink color in Hindi is called Gulabi. Pink color in Hindi is called Gulabi. Can you find some pink objects or pink things around you? So, the pink rose means Gulabi Ranka Gulab. Pink rose is Gulabi Gulab. Pig. A pig also has this pink color. So it can be called Gulabi Suwar. Suwar in English is pig. Then a bird, a very beautiful bird having pink color is called flamingo. So Gulabi flamingo. Flamingo is called flamingo in Hindi. Actually, its Hindi name is Agni Pakshi, but let's say it flamingo only. Next color is brown. So brown in Hindi is called Bhoora. Bhoora. So the objects from brown color are brown chocolate, that is Bhoori chocolate, brown squirrel, that is Bhoori gilehri, and brown acorn, that is called balut. Bhoora balut ka phal. Now the color white. White color in Hindi is called safed. Safed. Then white objects near you may be a white swan, that is safed hans, white milk, safed doodh, and white dove. Dove in Hindi is called fakhta. Fakhta. So safed fakhta pakshi or the dove bird. Then the last color is black. Black in Hindi is called Kaala. Kaala. And the birds starting from objects from black are black raven or crow. That in Hindi is called kawa. Kaala kawa. Black crow or black raven is Kaala kawa. Then black panther. Black panther in Hindi is Kaala tendua. And then black coal. Coal in Hindi is called koela. Koela, black coal. So dear learners, these were the main colors in Hindi. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. And in next video, we will meet with something more important and more fun.